Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a bill of material in Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now, to create a bill of material, you're going to need the manufacturing module, which you can see here. You can install this through either setting up your database and setting it up then, or you can use the apps menu, which you can see at the very bottom, and then you can do whichever you would like. Now, if we go into manufacturing, as you can see, what you're going to need to do is search for the bills of materials under products, and we're going to go right here. Here you can click on new and you can enter the product. So for example, let's say my t-shirt quantity, let's say 25. The bill of material type is going to be manufacture this product, and you can select a component or components and other miscellaneous settings. So if we go into components, we can add a line, and the component is going to be, for example, I don't know, deposit, and the quantity is going to be 20. And other than that, that is pretty much it. You can also catalog this, and as you can see, you can use it through a catalog sort of view, but other than that, you can set it up pretty much similarly. The catalog view is better in my opinion, easier to use, much more user-friendly UI, but you can use whatever you would like, and then you just set it up however you would like, and that should be pretty much it. You can also add any of these other elements if you would like, but pretty much our bill of materials is done at the current moment. And if we go back under bills of materials, it should be saved. So if we go into products and bills of materials, as you can see, that has been created, and that's all we need. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.